Welcome back to the channel. Today I got LA120. It won't start. It won't even turn over, no click on the solenoid, no nothing. So I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot it. You gotta make sure your voltage is good at the battery, like 12.6, 12.7 volts. Okay, first thing you do is check, make sure you got 12 volts, a good battery. Okay, with the brake on here, we're latched in the brake position. You're gonna turn the key into the start position. There's your start. So in this wire right here, which is purple, at the PTO switch, on one side, you should have 12 volts, and on the other side too. So I'm gonna go on the purple and white wire right at the PTO switch right now. Attached, I got my negative lead of my meter attached to the ground of the battery. And I'm gonna put my meter on DC volts, but DC, so that should be, so 12.5. So, all right, I'm gonna put my other lead on the purple and white wire on that plug in the bottom left and turn the key switch on. 12.7, that's good. So let's say you don't have 12 volts on your start. So back up, check your red, follow the red. There's a fuse. Check your fuse. That's probably bad because this fuse goes right to your battery. Right here. This fuse is located right here. So you know this PTO switch with the lever of for your mower is closed. So when it's closed, power goes through purple to the purple and white, and this goes to your brake switch. So you can go measure the purple wire after the brake switch here. See if you got power right here. So we know we got 12 volts there. I'll put my meter here and I'll put the key on. 12.47, and then I'm gonna go on the other side on the purple wire and then put the key on. 12.47. So I know those two switches are good. So the purple and white goes to the brake switch, goes right there, and it goes right to the solenoid right here. So we got to go on the purple wire right to the solenoid. We'll measure that. So the purple wire is on the right hand side. So I'm gonna put there 12.47. So next thing to check, it's not clicking, so I know it's not coming on. Why isn't not this picking up? So this side here goes to ground. So I'm gonna put my meter on ohms, and I'm gonna measure ground right to the battery ground. So I'm gonna put my meter on the ground, and here it should be 0, and it's open. So we do have power going to the solenoid, but it's not completing the loop to go on the ground. So on this side of the solenoid, this ground wire comes down here and goes to a connector and goes right to ground. So I'll just replace this motor. And I bet you I forgot to hook up this connector because I just realized it now. So follow the wire, the black wire, and it goes right here to the connector right back here. And the ground connector is right attached to the ground frame right there, so I forgot to plug it in. There we go. Yep, perfect. All right, if you like this video, press that thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.